All right, students, welcome back after the break. Let's go ahead. People, before the break, we were done with section number 7.1a. Now, people, listen to me very carefully. What did we learn in the chapter? You tell me. We learned section number 7.1a, A, B, and C. Everyone remembers everything? Just imagine when we finish the chapter, you will remember a chapter of 20-30 pages. And you will be able to revise it in 5 minutes. Is it good or not? You always have to learn everything in such a way that after you are done with the chapter, you are able to summarize the chapter quickly, that I know what is there in the chapter. Can we go ahead, everyone? Let's go ahead. Next. If something falls in supply, then what do we see? Section number 7.1. Whether it is supply of goods or supply of. Are we clear with this? Now, people, listen. Even if something is a supply, even if something falls in supply, but if government wants, government can put it under section number 7.2, and that will become neither supply of goods nor supply of. Section number 7.2 has section number 7.2a and section number 7.2b. A says that please go to schedule 3. Where will you go, everyone? Schedule 3. And in schedule 3, whatever activities are told, whatever are neither supply of goods nor supply of. Where is it told, everyone? People, section number 7.2. What are the things which are excluded from supply? Which will be neither supply of goods nor supply of. So they have told section number 7.2 has 7.2a and 7.2b. Now, section number 7.2a says activities or transaction which are specified in schedule will be neither supply of goods nor supply of. Do you remember schedule 1 we had learned? It was there here only. Schedule 1 was what, everyone? Those activities which you do without also will be considered as supply. Schedule 2 we learned what, everyone? What is supply of goods and what is supply of? What will be supply of goods and what will be supply of service. Now we are going to learn, see here, activities or transaction which shall be neither supply of goods nor supply of. And here we have how many activities, everyone? 8. But for intermediate level, we'll be learning only till 6. 7 and 8 becomes a part of your CA final. Can I go ahead, everyone? So we'll be learning only 6. Chalo, please come back, everyone. Let's read. Everyone over here. Whenever one employee gives services to the employer in the course or in relation to employment. People, listen to me very carefully. I am the employee. I am the, and you are the employer. Okay, everyone. I went ahead and gave some services to you. I went ahead and gave some services to you, and you went ahead and gave me salary. My question over here, have you seen any employee telling the employer 50,000 rupees plus GST, give me 55,000? Why? Baba, has he done an activity for you? Is it for a consideration? When he is doing a work for you, people, when he is working for you, he is trying to earn money. So when you read the business ka definition, of business ka definition is there in supply chapter. But I have not taught you the business ka definition because for your exam, they will not ask you business definition. You should know what is business. Now, if I go ahead and tell you, when you are working for someone, are you trying to earn money? And trying to earn money means you are trying to do what, everyone? So it means whenever the employee is going ahead and giving services to the employer, is it falling in supply? Should he go ahead and charge GST from the employer? Because he gave services to the employer, he should charge what, everyone? And he should give GST to the government. But have you ever seen one employee going ahead and telling, sir, wait, month has got over, let me write one invoice. 1 lakh rupees my salary plus GST. Give me 1,18,000, I will give 18,000 to government. Have you seen that? Why? Because in schedule 3, in schedule first paragraph only they have told, whenever a service is given by whom? To the, it will be what, everyone? Neither supply of goods nor supply of, but it should be in the course or in relation to employment. Are we all clear till here? Now, for an example, this employer is there. People, I'll ask you some questions, okay? Employer is there. Employer went ahead and told me, everyone over here. My question is, here will GST come? No. Correct? Why? Because this is neither supply of goods. Now, whenever you are giving services to the employer, an employer goes ahead and gives you anything in terms of employment. Means in your employment contract, if it is written, they will give you salary. If they will give you perquisite, they will give you rent-free accommodation, people, because it is as per the salary agreement. Remember, all the services which you have gone ahead and given to an employer and you are receiving salary, you are receiving perquisites, you are receiving rent-free accommodation, there will be no GST because it's services given by the employer to employee to the employer, which is in the course of your employment, which is as per the employment letter. So it will be neither supply of goods nor supply of service. Are we all clear? Chalo, next. I am the employee. This is the employer. This is the employer ka son, everyone. This is the employer ka. Employer told me, can you teach my son? I will give you 5,000 rupees per month. My question is this service within employment? Is this service within employment? Have I done an activity for a consideration in the course of business? Will it be? Yes, Baba. When you are trying to earn money, you are trying to do business. Is it supply, everyone? Will you charge GST? Will you pay GST to the government? Why will you will pay GST only if you are registered? My question over here, is this a service given by you also in employment or it is out of employment? Are we clear, everyone? So they are telling any services given by employee to the employer which is in the course or in relation to employment will be always what, everyone? Neither supply of goods, service. Are we all 100% clear? Can we go ahead, everyone? Next. The next is one circular is there, circular on perquisites. Let's read the circular, everyone. Refer circular. Can you see 6 number over here? Perquisites provided by the employer to employee. People, listen to me very carefully. Everyone over here. I am the employee. This is the employer. My question to you guys, everyone listen to me very carefully. I gave services to the employer. I gave. An employer went ahead and gave me perquisites, which are as per the employment contract. He gave me might be one gardener, one car. All these are as per the employment contract. My question to you guys, when I have gone ahead and given services to the employer, an employer gives me perquisites in terms of the employment contract. Now, will these services with GST come or it will be neither supply of goods nor supply of service? Louder, everyone. Why? Because perquisites are given as per the employment contract. When I became your employee, I became your employee. You told me, sir, you will give me, I will give you salary. I will give you perquisites. I will give you rent-free accommodation. So my question over here, when you give me perquisites, will that be subject to GST or my service is neither supply of goods nor supply of service and hence there will be no. What do you think, everyone? And hence they have clarified perquisites provided in terms of an agreement between employer and there will be no GST. Can we go ahead, everyone? Are we all clear? Sure, everyone? Chalo. Tell me one thing, everyone. Employer gave perquisites or anything, basically perquisites in terms of employment, then it is neither supply of goods nor supply of no GST. Do you guys agree with me? Sure. Now, if employer gives gift, okay, everyone, gift is, for an example, in terms of employment, it is already written in the employment letter that we will be giving you an iPad when you join. Is it as per the employment letter? Then tell me one thing, I will give service, for that only they are giving me gift, yes or no? My question is, will that service with GST come? No. Neither supply of goods nor supply of. But other than that, for an example, if it is not as per the employment letter, can employer give gift to their employee? Yes. Value of the gift is 40,000. My question is whether it will be a supply. No. Louder. No. No supply. Why not a supply? Below up to 50,000, gifts are neither supply of goods nor supply, no GST. But if the gift ka value, it is not given in terms of, and the gift ka value is 60,000. My question, will it be a supply? Are we all clear till here? Can I go ahead and ask you one question? I am the employee in an organization. Organization gives me iPad, clothes, everything in terms of employment. It is told that whatever service I'll give for that, they are giving me this item. Will GST ever come? No. On my service, neither. Baba, GST is not on the consideration. GST is on the service. So on my service, will ever any GST come? Neither supply of goods nor supply of service. Okay. Outside employment, if employer gives anything to the employee, gift up to 50,000, no. Not a supply. Where did we learn this? People, I am linking this point to this point. Correct, everyone? If employer gives gift to the employee, which is in the contractual agreement, then which is as per the employment agreement, then 5 lakh ka gift. No GST. It is neither supply of goods nor supply of. Sure. But there is no service which is given by the employee to the employer. If it is in the employment contract, then it is neither supply of goods nor supply of service. Is my point clear? If employee gave some services to the employer for which employer went ahead and gave him some gift or any benefit given to the employee, you give whatever name you want and the value is only 30,000. Is there a service given by the employee to employer? Baba, my question is, on that gift, will any GST come? Does the employer have to give any GST? No. But if the gift ka value is more than 50,000? Yes. Is my point 100% clear to all? Can we go ahead, everyone? Next. Everyone over here now. Clear? Let's go to the next one. People, listen to me very carefully. I will draw. Because I love drawing. So who will we find out who is talking in the class? Everyone, can we go ahead? No one is talking. Everyone is telling, no, today I'll not talk. Yes, sir, your name, Orange. Huh? No, that is not your name. You tell your correct name. Neighbor's name? Monish. Okay. This is Monish, everyone. No. This is Monish. Okay, everyone. No. Monish should not be smiling. This is Monish. Okay, everyone. And this is who is this, everyone? Wait. I will draw. Arey, you will recognize now. Who is this, everyone? This is Monishka. Not girlfriend. Wife, Baba, wife. ठीक है? Is she little dangerous? Okay. Now, everyone, she has what, everyone, in her hand? Knife. And Monish is very scared. So he went to the court. And he told, sir, I want justice. Court told, okay, we will give you justice. But first pay the fees. Baba, court will take a fees from you, court ka fees. Only then court will give you justice, yes or no? Arey Baba. Can we go ahead, everyone? You will give court ka fees and court will give you justice ka service. Do you guys agree with me? My question over here, if court ka fees pay, court is telling please pay GST, will justice become expensive? Yes. He will tell what? It's okay. Let her kill me. I don't have money to pay GST. Do you guys agree with me? And hence, government told what? Whenever a court is there and court is giving justice ka service, justice should always be GST free. Justice should always be affordable. If justice ke liye you have to pay GST, then justice will become what, everyone? Expensive. And hence told, court ka services whenever it is given, it will be neither supply of goods nor supply of. So when the fees is collected from you, there will be no GST. Are we all clear till here? Now, whether it is court ka fees or it is tribunal. Tribunal is also like a court only. Tribunal is also like a court or tribunal which is established under the law. Whenever they are giving justice ka service and you are paying the fees, there will be no GST. Are we clear, everyone? Can we go ahead? Next. Services by court or tribunal which are established under law. What service they give, everyone? Justice. And justice should always be GST free. And hence it will be neither supply of goods nor supply of. Next. Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. I call it CDRC. Consumer Dispute Redressal. You know this consumer court will be there. Consumer court. Yes, everyone. For an example, I sold one mobile phone. To whom will we sell? Okay. Mr. Green, what's your name? Uh, he's taking Green. Okay. Huh? Kumar. This is Kumar, everyone. Take everyone. Kumar is a good boy. This is Kumar. This is me over here. Let me draw myself properly. No, I'm looking same to same only. No, no, no. Okay. This is me over here. Everyone over here, listen. I sold some goods to Kumar. I sold some goods to Kumar. Hey, on the board. What are you talking to your friend? You want to tell the joke on the stage? See on the board? No. Everyone here. See, you can joke only with me and only with respect to the classroom things. If you talk to the neighbor and do one joke, you have to tell the joke to the whole class. Everyone here now. Can we go ahead? Listen. This I went ahead and sold one mobile phone to Kumar. After some days, the mobile stopped working. Kumar told, hey, he came to me and told, sir, this mobile is not working. I kicked him out of the shop. I told, get lost. Okay, everyone. Now, he went to consumer court. You know, consumer dispute redressal commission will be there. Are we clear, everyone? People, listen to me very carefully. Now, when consumer dispute redressal commission, he'll tell, I want justice, I want justice. They will give him justice and he will pay them a fees. See, my question over here. Are Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission court? No. Are they tribunal? No. But they are like tribunal only. They're like a court or tribunal. Do you guys agree with me? And hence, people asked one question. Sir, Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission will charge a fees and give service. On their service also is GST there. So government clarified that Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission are like tribunal only. What is a tribunal? Baba, it is like a court only. It's a semi-judicial body. Court is a judicial body. This is a semi-judicial body. Okay, it is like a court only. So they told CDRCs are like tribunal, and whatever services they are giving, it is neither supply of goods nor supply of. So people, when you are collecting the fees, when CDRCs are collecting fees, will they collect GST? Because service is not a supply only. When fees is collecting, there will be no GST. Are we clear? People ask, tell me, sir, one thing. CDRCs will also collect penalty for them from them. Yes or no, everyone? A penalty when it is collected, you tell me one thing. Penalties are consideration. Did CDRC say, we agree that you do this kind of thing and then you pay penalty? Baba, penalties are what? Compensation. Yes, everyone? Any penalty is charged. Will GST be charged on any penalty? So people, tell me one thing. When CDRC gives the services to the person and collects fees, will GST come? Louder. No. When they are collecting penalty from me, I was about to tell this person. Okay. People, from this person, if they are going ahead and collecting penalty, will they collect GST? Yes or no? That's what they are telling over here. Seventh one circular. Let's read, everyone. It's here. GST on amount charged by Consumer Dispute Redressal, CDRC. They are not literally tribunal, but have characteristic of a tribunal. They are like tribunal only. And hence, fees or penalty, whichever they are charging, or any amount if they are charging, they will be not charging any GST. Is my point clear to all? Can we go ahead, everyone? People, the first point which I went ahead and asked you was what, everyone? Services by employee to employer, neither supply of goods nor supply of. Second, services by court or tribunal, neither supply of goods nor supply of. Next. Now, third one, I go ahead and call them government official ka services. People listen. You know this MPs, MLA, MLC, member of legislative council, Yes, everyone, legislative assembly, etc. All these people who are there, MP, MLAs, MLCs, etc. They are providing their services. Yes or no, everyone? Are they holding post? Are they holding a post and they are being given services? They are being given what? Salary. But are they employees of anyone? Baba, government gives them what? Yes, everyone. MP, MLA, MLC. They are given what, everyone? Government goes ahead and gives them what? Because they are giving services, government gives them salary. My question over here, are they employees of anyone? They are not employees. Are the government employer? No, there is no employee-employee relationship. But still, they get what, everyone? Although the compensation ka name is salary, government went ahead and told all these MPs, MLAs, whenever they are giving the services, their services will be their services will be neither supply of goods nor supply of. Are we clear, everyone? Clarified that whenever functions are performed by the MPs, MLA, MLCs, etc., their services will be neither supply of goods nor supply of. They will give services to the government and government will give salary, but their services pay there will be no GST. Is my point clear? Next. Duties performed by, third one only we are reading. These are all government official. Duties performed by constitutional post holder. Baba, what do you mean by constitutional post holder? Who is holding a post under the Constitution of India, like Prime Minister. Is he holding a post under the Constitution of India? Prime Minister, President, then Controller and Auditor General. You know C&AG, Controller and Auditor General. Are we clear? All these people are what, everyone? They are holding a post under the Constitution. They are holding a post under the Prime Minister is going ahead and giving his services to the Constitution, and he is being given what, everyone? Salary. My question over here, when they are going ahead and giving their services to the Constitution, when they are going ahead and giving their services to the, will GST come? Government clarified, when they are giving the services to the Constitution, that is also neither supply of goods nor supply of. So will there be any GST which will be charged? Is my point clear to all? Can I go ahead, everyone? The next one over here is, so constitutional post holder, whenever, Baba, constitutional post holder means under the Constitution of India, they are holding the post. Like the Prime Minister of India, President of India, Controller and Auditor General of India. Are we clear, everyone? All these people are holding their post under who? Constitution of India. And hence their services to the Constitution is neither supply of goods nor supply of. Next. Just imagine, Prime Minister of India is collecting GST and giving GST to himself only. He is giving to the government. Are you guys able to understand? So they are telling there is no GST. Next. Duties performed by chairperson, member or director of a CMD, chairperson, member or a of a body which is established by the, supposingly government went ahead and formed one body. Government formed a body in which there is a chairperson, there is a member or there is a director. People listen carefully, okay? He is giving the services to the body and body goes ahead and gives him supposingly salary. My question over here, if he is an employee in that organization and they are the, his services which will be there will fall under neither supply of goods nor supply of service as per paragraph number 1. Why? Because employee-employer relationship comes under paragraph number. But just imagine, there is a chairman, member or a director of a government ka body. Body is established by whom, everyone? And everyone. And he is not an employee there. He is not a, it means employer-employee relation is not there. But still government told, even if employer-employee relation is there, then which paragraph? First paragraph, neither supply of goods nor supply of. If not an employee, then they are going ahead and telling, if he is not an employee, then also third paragraph. See here, everyone. Duties performed by chairperson, member or director, CMD of a body which is established by the, where he is not a, because if he is an employee, he will be covered under first paragraph and his services will be neither supply of goods nor supply of. If he is not an employee, still his service will be neither supply of goods nor supply of people. Can you read till the third one and tell me we are clear, and then we'll move to the fourth one, everyone. Are we all clear? Can we go ahead? People, I didn't tell you to talk. I told you to read. Can we go ahead, everyone? Now, the next one over here is services of mortuary. What is a mortuary, everyone? Where somebody, when they have died, they will be kept in the mortuary. Then burial ground, funeral ka services. Nowadays, if you go to burial ground and all, they go ahead and tell you silver class is there, gold class is there, 25,000, 50,000, 75,000. Correct, everyone? Now, tell me one thing. Are they going ahead and giving you services there? Yes or no, everyone? And they are charging you 50,000, 75,000. Remember one thing, they will not charge you any. Government is telling once one person has gone, we'll let him go in peace, will not charge him GST. Just imagine one person has gone, for him the funeral ke liye 50,000 the funeral ka services are asking, or might be the pandit ji who has come to do puja, he is asking 2,000 and he is telling I have to collect GST also. Government told there will be no services of what, everyone? Mortuary, burial, funeral, there will be no GST. Are we all clear, everyone? Including transportation. So, for an example, one person has died. Now, from the hospital to the home, from the home, he will be transported to the burial ground. Might be that person is taking round the city also. Baba, I'm explaining because they can ask you in the exam. Now they are taking you round the city. Might be in a helicopter, the person was transported from hospital to home. Might be in a plane, the person was taken from one city to another city. After a person has died, government is telling burial, mortuary, funeral, or even if transportation is done, transportation can be done by air, rail, road, whatever. There will be no, including transportation, there will be no GST. Can I go ahead, everyone? Next one. People, sale of land. Land pay, there is no GST. Land pay, there is no. Why? Because land, whenever you sell, no, stamp duty comes. Whenever you sell land, people, whenever you sell land, what do you pay? Stamp duty. And stamp duty is already collected by the government. That's also an indirect tax. Now tell me one thing. If stamp duty is already paid, then government is selling, there is no need to pay GST. Are we clear, everyone? Now. So whenever you are selling a land, people, land is goods or service? Land is goods or service? But sale of land, neither supply of goods nor supply of. See, I told you in the second chart, it is written land is a service, but there is no GST as per section number 72A, read with schedule. I told you, I'll tell you later, it will be neither supply of goods nor supply of service. Are we all 100% clear till here? Can we go ahead, everyone? Next. People, over here now. Sale of land, there is no GST. And sale of completed building I have written over here, also no GST. I want to explain you guys what do you mean by this completed building. People, listen to me very carefully. If supposingly I have a flat and the flat is complete, done, completed flat, and I sell it, when I am selling it to you, what do we have to pay? Stamp duty. Do you guys agree with me? And hence, there will be no GST when you are selling a completed building. Completed building or completed flat. Are we clear? Now I'll ask you one question. You know builder, not bodybuilder, Baba. Real estate builder. What real estate builders do? They make the building for you. They make the. Now, people, for an example, I am a real estate builder who makes building and sells building. I have made one building over here. I have made a. The building is complete. The building is Completed. Completed means you have got the completion certificate. Completion from the local authority, certificate from the BBMP, the local authority which is there. They have given you the certificate that your building is complete. If you start selling the flats now, I sold the flat, will I charge GST or only stamp duty? GST will not come. It is neither supply of goods nor supply of service. Sale of land and sale of building, there is no GST. Are we clear? So, but tell me one thing. You know what builders do? Builders will do what I'll tell you. They will take from you 1 lakh rupees. They will make little. They will take from you 5 lakh rupees. They will make little more. They will take from you 10 lakh rupees. They will make little more. They will take from you 50 lakh rupees, remaining 50, 60, 65, 66. Okay? They went ahead and made more. Okay, everyone? Now, they will go to the BBMP and say, our building is complete. And they will take what, everyone? Completion certificate. Completed building. And then might be you had to pay remaining 34 lakh. They will collect the remaining from you. Because the building that they sold you one flat for how much? 1 crore. But tell me one thing. Here the builder has sold you completed building or he is doing construction for you. Think about it. He is taking little money from you, making little. He is taking money from you, he is making little. So don't you think he is giving you construction service? Yes or no, everyone? Tell me one thing. If anyone does construction for you, it is supply of. Do you guys agree with me? So if the builder has gone ahead and sold me a completed building, then it will be what, everyone? Neither supply of goods nor supply of. But if he takes little money, does little construction, takes little money, does little construction, takes little money, does some construction, then what is he doing? He is going ahead and selling me an under construction building, or what he is doing is he is doing for me construction. And Baba, construction is always a supply of. Is my point clear to all? And you know what? This entire amount which he has collected, no, on this he has to collect GST also from you. And when the property ka registration will be done, no, stamp duty also will come. It means a double tax will come. Yes. Are we all clear? Can I go ahead? People, tell me one thing. People, listen. Everyone on the board. I sold a land. Land. Baba, land is always complete only. Have you seen an incomplete land? Sale of land is always. Sale of land is always neither supply of goods nor supply of service. Sale of completed building. Neither supply of goods nor supply of. Will GST come? No. But I went ahead and told you, this is, people, you have to see one deadline, which is completion. If builder has gone ahead and made a building and he has sold, supposingly he took 1 crore from you after he has got the completion certificate, will he charge GST? Yes or no? Only stamp duty will come at the time of registration. Okay. People, this is the completion certificate. People, everyone over here. Builder charged from you 20 lakh here, 10 lakh over here. Building got completed and then he charged the remaining 70 lakh from you. Can you tell me, he has given you construction service or sale of completed building? Why? Before completion, if he has taken 1 rupee also from you, it means he has taken your money and made the building. Even if he has taken 1 rupee, it will be told that he has taken your money and made the building. So he has given you what service, everyone? What do you do to constructor, everyone? You give money, he makes the building. So it will be a, what it will become, everyone? And the entire amount, including this amount, it will become supply of. And what will come? And when you make the registration of the property, is my point clear to all? Can we go ahead, everyone? Are we all 100% clear? Chalo, I'll ask you one more thing. Now, one is your completion certificate. One is your completion, which is given by your local authority, the BBMP, which is there, your local authority. One more document is a first, one document you say first occupancy. What do you mean by first occupancy? For an example, you did not receive the completion letter. You did not receive the completion letter from the BBMP. They are delaying it. But your building is complete and you allowed someone to stay in the building. Was it first occupied? Was it occupied? Might be you did not get the completion certificate, but you allowed someone to stay in the building. How will someone stay in the building if it is not complete? Do you guys agree with me? So when somebody did the first occupancy, this is known as what, everyone? First occupancy. What do you mean by first occupancy? It means when somebody occupied it for the first time. Is it complete? Louder. Or when you receive the completion certificate, then it is told as complete. Whichever is earlier. If what is earlier here? First occupancy. Do you guys agree with me? Now tell me one thing. What is your cutoff date? First occupancy or completion certificate? Whichever is. Chalo. I'll ask you one question now. People over here. This is my first occupancy. This is my completion certificate. Which is earlier? Which is your cutoff date? I am the builder. I took 10 lakh rupees here, 90 lakh rupees here. My question is, did I take 1 rupee also before completion? Yes or no, everyone? The entire amount, GST will come, yes or no? It will be what? Construction. And for this, I will have to pay. Are we all clear till here? Can we go ahead? Will GST come, everyone? Stamp duty at the time of registering? Yes or no? Chalo. People, this is the first occupancy. This is the completion certificate. Which is earlier? It means your building is complete here. I am the builder. I took 1 crore here. GST? Louder. Yes or no? Why no? No GST over here. Okay, everyone? Because the entire amount was received after completion and sale of completed building, there is no GST. Okay. 1 crore over here I took. GST will come or not? 1 crore I took here then? Yes. Are we clear, everyone? Chalo, I'll ask you one question now. You tell me the answer and we'll close this discussion. Everyone over here. Completion certificate, first occupancy. Completion certificate, first occupancy. First occupancy and completion certificate. Can you tell me which is the cutoff date? I received 1 crore rupees over here for sale of flat. I'm a builder. Will GST come? When I'm registering the flat, that time stamp duty will also come. That you forget it. Will GST come? Okay. I received 10 lakh here, 20 lakh here, 30 lakh here. Will GST come? Why? 1 rupee received before the cutoff date. Can I go ahead, everyone? Next. Which is the cutoff date? Which is the cutoff date? I received 1 crore here. Entire amount for sale of flat I've received here. GST will come or not? No GST. What if I would have received this 1 crore here? GST, no GST? Here, here, here. Are we all clear with this? People, tell me one thing then. Sale of land and sale of completed building, there will be no GST. But under construction building, or if any amount is received before completion certificate or first occupancy, whichever is, completion certificate or first occupancy, whichever is, if 1 rupee also received, will it be sale of completed building or construction? An entire amount pay will GST come? Yes. Are we all clear? Any doubts, anyone? Can we go ahead? Everyone over here now. People, I have one land which is there. Listen to me very carefully. This land has all the sand, etc. lying like this. Okay, everyone? I sold the land. Will GST come? I have a land over here. I sold the land. Will GST come, everyone? Madam, madam, on the board. We are in the classroom. On the board, you only. Everyone here now. It's a land. She's so busy talking here, there, here, there. She's not even to see the board only. Everyone here now on the board. It's a land. I went in and sold the land. Will GST come? Why? Because sale of land is what, everyone? Neither supply of goods nor supply of. Okay, you know what I did? I had to sell this land. So nowadays this concept is there, wherein what you will do, no? You will tell one person, hey, do one thing. I'll ask you, you tell me what is this, okay? Let me try to draw. Hey, who told Otto? This is road roller. Ah, okay, light over here. Tick, tick. Everyone over here, you understood now? Yes or no? This is that road roller. Everyone listen. I told one person, get your road roller, run the road roller on my land, make it plain. Okay, everyone. I am the real estate developer. I am making this land. Then I did what? Plain land. I have cut it into small plots. Have you seen everyone nowadays? They will cut it into small plot and then they will sell plot of land. Do you guys agree with me? What I did, I put the road over here. I have made the land into small plot of land. I put the drainage. Here I put the drainage, the pipeline, etc. Everything I put it. And now I am selling the land, which is developed land. People, tell me one thing. Am I still selling land only? Might be I went in and took some services, made the land full plain, looking beautiful. Baba, beautiful land, developed land, dirty land, land is always land. And whenever you are selling land, it will be neither supply of goods nor supply of. Do you guys agree with me? Tell me one thing, when I am selling the land, refer to the circular which says, everyone over here, GST on sale of land after labeling lying down of drainage lines. Remember, sale of developed land is also a sale of, and it will be covered in Schedule 3 and there will be no GST. Are we all clear till here? People, I have a land on which all garbage is there and I have sold the land. Will GST come? No. I have sold a land, okay, on which sugar cane are growing. Land pe GST will come? No. I have sold a land which is full up and down, all mountains are there. No GST. I have sold a land after labeling it, lying down, drainage pipeline, everything I have done. Then also no. My one question is there. I am the road roller guy, right? I am running and this is the person who wanted my service. I gave him the service of what, everyone? I am running the road roller for you. I will do the labeling of the land. My question is it supply? Is my work supply? Sure. It's a service. Supply means it's an activity I am doing for a consideration. Is it my business? So whatever services I am giving, will I charge GST? When he is selling, will he charge GST? Why? Not supply of service. People, did you guys understand? So when the person is giving the services to the real estate developer so that he can label the land, will that service pay GST come? Yes. When he is selling the land, will he charge GST? No. Are we all 100% clear till here? Sure. Can I go ahead, everyone? Louder. Next. Everyone over here now. Please come back. Can you tell me now the last service? Okay, people, what are actionable claim? I will talk little more. Listen. Actionable claim means an unsecured debt. Baba, unsecured debt means, for an example, I told you, I have to receive money from my debtors. Do I have their property with me? That if they don't pay, I can sell it? No. So whenever it's an unsecured debt, people over here, whenever it's an, do I have a right to receive the debt? That right to receive is what an actionable claim. Okay. I have a right to receive arrears of rent from my tenant. Do I have his property with me that I can sell the property and recover? No, but this right to recover the rent is an actionable claim. It's an unsecured debt. It's not secured. Secured debt means what, everyone? Which is secured against a property. But have I taken any property from you? No. I have given you my house on rent. You are not paying my rent. Now, do I have a right to receive rent from you? This is an actionable claim. I can take you to the court of law. Can I go ahead, everyone? Okay. Insurance company has to pay me insurance amount. Do I have a right to receive insurance amount? Do I have their property? If they don't pay, I can sell the property. So it's a secured or unsecured debt. Now, this right to receive, if I transfer to someone, I'm transferring what? Actionable. Or actionable claim means beneficial interest in a movable property, not in the possession of the claimant. I'll go ahead and give you an example. For an example, as of now, you think that this is a lottery. Okay, everyone. As of now, you think that this is a lottery. There's a dollar card note, but we'll think that this is a lottery. If I win the lottery, I will get a car. It means you have a beneficial interest in a movable property car, which is not in your possession. Are we clear, everyone? Tell me one thing. If I win the lottery, will I get the car? Although it is contingent. But if I win, do I get it? Yes, everyone. So lottery is always what, everyone? Actionable claim. I told you, take token number one. If token number one comes, put money in the gamble. If token number one comes, you will get 10 lakh rupees. I put money in the gambling. My question is, when somebody is allowing me to do gambling, do I have a right to receive the amount if I win? Yes or no, everyone? So people betting, gambling, lottery, horse race, you have put money. If you win, do you have a right to receive? So people, horse race when you are doing betting, that is also what, everyone? Actionable claim. Is my actionable claim clear to all of you? Sure, everyone. Now, tell me one thing, everyone. Actionable claims are goods, but you know what? All actionable claims are not supply of goods. For an example, people here, if I have a right to receive insurance amount, if I have a right to receive money from my debtors, 10 lakh rupees my debtors have to give. I told, for an example, Madhumita madam, I can't recover. I am giving you all my debtors. You go and recover from them. I sold all my debtors to her. I sold what? Actionable. I will not charge any GST because actionable claims are neither supply of goods nor supply of. But. So whatever right to receive you have, right to receive insurance amount, right to receive policy amount, right to receive arrears of rent, all these are your right to receive unsecured debt. If you transfer to someone, it will always be neither supply of goods nor supply of. It's a supply of goods, but they told it's a goods, but it is not supply of goods because they told all actionable claims are out of GST. But other than specified actionable claim, because government told we will tell you some actionable claim on which we want GST. We will tell you some actionable claim on which we want GST. What actionable claim? Number one, betting, casino. Baba, you know betting? Horse race mein you put money. If the horse wins, you have a right to receive. Correct? Casino mein, gambling, card games. Casino, you know, everyone. What is a casino? Baba, where you go, that roulette table will be there. 1 minute, I'll show you. Here. This kind of table will be there. You put your money on the number. If the number comes, you have a right to receive the prize money. Do you guys agree with me? So these are casinos. People over here. Are we clear? Now, what we are telling over here is, if it is casino or you have done any gambling, gambling means what, everyone? Baba, betting, gambling, card games, what are there? Yes or no, everyone? Next, horse racing, lottery, online money. Arey Baba, nowadays poker khelo online, Dream 11, correct? All these are online money. Yes or no, everyone? Online betting is happening nowadays. You can go online and do betting, gambling, etc. They are telling, sir, people here, whenever I win, do I have a right to receive the prize money? Is that my actionable claim? Government is selling, whenever somebody is selling lottery, whenever somebody is selling what? Betting services, whenever somebody is allowing betting, gambling, horses, he is giving what? He is selling what? Actionable claim. And actionable claims are goods, and supply of actionable claim will be a supply of goods. But not all actionable claim. Betting, gambling, casino, horse race, lottery, and online money gaming. Betting, casino, gambling, horse racing, lottery, and online money gaming. You have to find out a mnemonic out of it. I don't have any mnemonic. People, everyone over here. People, what actionable claims with GST will come? Lottery, betting, casinos, gambling, horse racing, and online money. Have you seen online money gaming nowadays? Poker khelo. Online you can go and play poker. Correct. Online you can go and do whatever you want. That Dream 11, etc. is there where you put money and you play. Yes or no, everyone? All these are what? Online money gaming. And all this pay, government have told, whenever they are giving the allowing people to do betting, gambling, etc., they are giving supply of goods and GST will come. People tell me, if I'm selling lottery, will GST come? If I'm allowing people to do betting, I collected 1 lakh from you. Should I collect GST also? Whatever betting, all this happening, on that GST will come. People, now tell me one thing. Schedule 3. What are the things I told you in Schedule 3? What are neither supply of goods nor supply of service? You have to remember, you have to remember one word, camel, C-A-M-E, camel, G, camel, G. Okay, everyone, C for court or tribunal ka services. Do you guys remember, everyone? Including CDR, Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Next, actionable claim are neither supply of goods nor supply of other than lottery, betting, gambling, horse race, online money gaming, casinos. Can I go ahead, everyone? Next, M for mortuary, burial, funeral ka service, including transportation. E for employee to employer. L for land and complete building. Are we clear, everyone? Next, G for government officials. People, this word government official, no, I have given it. Actually, it is told that whenever services are given by whom? Number 1, MP, MLA, MLC. Constitutional post holder like president, prime minister, etc. Third one, everyone. If you are a chairperson, member, or director of a body which is established by whom? Government, and you are not an employee, then your services also neither supply of goods nor supply of. Are we all 100% clear? Can we go ahead, everyone? Chalo. Now, everyone over here. People, can you see this question on the board? Question number 13, can you see, everyone? Chalo, let's read question number 13. Everyone here. It says, everyone, Happy Construction, a registered builder under, is doing a project in Bangalore, Karnataka, has got permission to build how many floor? From the municipal project for one of its project at Surat Nagar. Aditya Construction. People, Happy Construction is doing what, everyone? It is going to make a building. How many floor? 3, 4, 5. And who is there besides? Aditya. Aditya Construction, a neighboring housing project, approached Happy Construction to discuss regarding blockage of sunlight arising out of the construction of 5 floors. This is Happy Construction, and there will be no sunlight. Who is telling everyone? Aditya Construction is telling, sir, if you build so many floors, there will be no sunlight on our building. ठीक है? And asked the builder to make only how many floors? For which 20 lakh was offered as compensation. People tell me one thing. Happy ko it was told that you don't make, you refrain. You, and we'll pay how much to you? 20 lakhs will be paid. Tell me one thing. Did he do an agreement with them? And because of the agreement, he paid 20 lakh. Is there an agreement to refrain? Is compensation paid? My question is, have Happy given services to Aditya? Yes or no? Will he go ahead? Is it an activity for a consideration in the course of business? Is it a supply of service? Will GST be charged? Will he have to collect GST? Yes or no? See over here. Happy Construction agreed to the offer. It may be noted that Aditya is not ready to pay any further amount. People, to Happy Construction in addition to the amount. People, tell me one thing. Will GST come on this 20? It means Aditya should pay what? GST, and he will pay the GST to the. But Aditya is telling, I will not pay the GST. Whatever amount I am paying, from that you only take out GST and give to the government. I will not give you any more GST. Can we go ahead, everyone? Next. Briefly explain with legal provision whether the above amount received as compensation is liable to GST or not. Is it liable to GST? Was there an agreement that I will not do this? Did you go ahead and pay me an amount? Although the name is compensation, but it is actually a. Did I go ahead and do an agreement? Because of that, am I getting a money? So is there a consideration? Do I have to pay GST? Now, if consideration is taxable, then calculate the GST payable by Happy Construction, assuming that the rate of GST is how much? 9 and 9 CGST. And can you tell me, everyone, if 20 lakh is 100 rupees plus 18, correct or not? Array 9 and 9% GST is also included. Then how much is 18%? How much is the GST? People, did you understand this mathematics? What is it telling? 20 lakh, 20 lakh includes what? GST. So can you tell me only the GST? See, 100 plus GST rate. Array, you understood the mathematics, everyone? Can I go ahead? How much is the GST? Three lakh, 3 lakh 5,000, 884, 084. ठीक है. Everyone see here. These two you have given together to me, is it? Array, this will be divided in CGST and HGST, no? How much is CGST? 152 and 150? Correct, no? Approximately, right? See over here, everyone. People, can you read the answer? Read the answer, everyone. Read. People, at least read it. Because if you don't read and practice, in your dreams also you can't write this answer in the exam. Did you know the answer? But writing is very difficult. So please read, everyone. Read, 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 read. People, read the answer. Right, right, right. Read, read, read. Read. Can we go ahead, everyone? See, it says over here, agreeing to the obligation to refrain, to tolerate an act or a situation or to do an has been specifically declared as a supply of service. Under which paragraph? Under schedule 2, you can write anyways. Next. In the given case, people, is this the law? In the given case, observation. Happy Construction has agreed to build the floor even though it is permitted to make how many floor? For a compensation of how much? This results in a supply of. Sure, everyone? Then, the condition to be complied with is there must be an express or implied contract must exist. There must be a contract. Secondly, consideration must flow from the agreement. There should be a contract between me and him, and there should be a consideration. Are both of them there? Yes. And hence, conclusion. Conclusion. Since Aditya is not ready to pay further amount in addition to the amount agreed, the amount received 20 lakh, what everyone, shall be treated as inclusive of, and GST will be 20 lakh into 9 divided by 118, 1 lakh 52 and 1 lakh. Sir, you told 18? Array, I told for CGST and HGST both. It will be CGST and HGST each. Are we clear, everyone? Today at home, you'll practice this question. Can we go ahead, everyone? Next. People, can you read question number 14? Everyone, read question number 14 and apply your brain. Read, read, read. Done reading? Do one thing. Once you are done reading, write the answer for 5 marks, everyone. Let's see what do you write. It's okay to write a bad answer, no problem, right? Let's see what do you write and then we'll discuss. Read the question and write the answer. I'll give you 5 minutes. Read the question and write the answer. People watching at home, read the question and write the answer. I'll pause the video, then we'll continue. Right. People, pick up your pen and write. How many of you got the notebooks? Everyone got the notebooks? People who have not got it, kindly start getting your notebooks, everyone. Chalo. I'll pause the video, quickly write. Chalo. I hope everyone is done writing. Let's discuss. People over here now. Artec Consultancy registered in. People, you have to write with your hand, not talk with your mouth. Everyone on the board now. Artec Consultancy registered in. Supplies what? Technical to its clients. Artec is registered in Bangalore. This is Artec. Artec registered in Bangalore. It is giving what services to its client. It has provided technical service to Tata Bangalore since the last 2 years. It is giving service to whom, everyone? Tata Bangalore. Bangalore. Since the last 2 years. Consideration is settled by Tata assignment wise. Means consideration is given by Tata. Every assignment, when it gets over, they make the payment. Then Tata paid 66 lakh to Artec on 10th of September on Artec agreeing to not provide similar. People, Artec agreed. They made an agreement and they received a consideration. They agreed to do what? They not to provide similar technical service to any other business services, business entity in India or abroad for how many years? I agreed to refrain. Do you guys agree with me? Did I agree to refrain? And did I get some amount? My question is agreeing to refrain and receiving consideration. What is it? Supply of? Will GST come? Now my question is 66 lakh is there. They are telling check view is of the view that GST is not chargeable. Is their view correct or wrong? Wrong. Will GST come? Yes. You are required to calculate whether the view taken by Artec is valid. Is it valid? First line has to be told, is it valid or not valid? Then calculate the GST liability, if any. The technical consultancy service are otherwise charged at the rate of what, everyone? What is the rate of GST? 18%. It may be noted that Artec is not ready to pay any further amount in addition to the amount already agreed. Can you tell me when they have paid 66 lakh, 66 lakh will assume it to be inclusive of GST. Are they in Bangalore? You are in Bangalore. So what GST will come? CGST and? So 66 lakh divided by 100 plus 18 into 9 will give you how much CGST? 5 lakh? 8? 3 9? 5033. Okay. And same will be SGST? 503390. Are we all clear? People over here, if you see, how many of you got the answer? Okay. Getting the answer, you will get only 1 mark out of this. You have to write the law. Are we clear? See, people over here now. The scope of supply is defined in section number 7. Section number 7(1)(a), it will be considered a supply since it is in the course of furtherance of business. People tell me one thing. First of all, we have to see whether it is supply or not, correct? Is it an activity? Is refraining from doing something an activity? Is it for a consideration? Is it in the course of your business? So it is a supply. And then, as per section number 7(1)(a), it is a supply of. So first it should be a service. First it should be a supply. And then we have to say whether supply of goods or supply of. Then. Further, paragraph number 5(e) of Schedule 2 provides that agreeing to the obligation to refrain from an act or to tolerate an act or situation or to do an is a supply of service. Tell me one thing, is it the law? Yes? Now, thus any consideration received for agreeing to the obligation is subject to GST. Consideration received for non-compete agreement is deemed as a consideration for supply of. Are we clear? Next. Consideration of 66 lakh on the promise of Artec to not provide similar services is a consideration which is chargeable to. Are we clear? First we wrote applying the law that sir, law says that it's a supply and it is a supply of service. And applying the law, when I am agreeing that I will not do similar thing, that means I am providing supply of service. Is my point clear? Next. Since GST is not collected, it is assumed that 66 lakh is inclusive of GST. It is assumed that it is included in 66 lakh. 1 minute, everyone. You don't have to write this line. Which line, sir? This one. Rule number 35 provides that you don't have to write. Why, sir? Because rule number 35 is in CA final. At intermediate level, you don't learn rule number 35. Can I go ahead, everyone? So you can say directly. Where the value is inclusive of GST, the tax amount is determined in the following manner. Value, are we clear, everyone? Multiplied by GST divided by 100 plus sum of the GST. Can I go ahead, everyone? And then, people, out of 66 lakh into 100 divided by 100 and multiplied by will give you the CGST and it will give you the SGST, and the total amount of GST is over here. Are we clear, everyone? Will you guys be able to do it at home now? Chalo. Everyone over here. People, everyone here now. Guys and girls on the board. Tell me one thing. Do you remember Pagdi system? Do you remember Pagdi system? What happens in Pagdi system? I will go ahead and give my tenancy. You will go ahead and give me your tenancy premium. People listen carefully. People listen carefully. Guys and girls who are talking. If I'm not telling anything, doesn't mean that you will keep disturbing the class. Correct or not, everyone? I'm like, okay, fine, you guys are kid, little bit you will talk, I'll ignore. But if you continuously keep talking and disturbing, you tell me what is the option. Yes or no, everyone? Can we go ahead? Kindly stop talking. When I'm giving you time to talk, you aram se talk no. Can we go ahead? Now, tell me one thing. Whenever I'm giving tenancy right, you are giving tenancy premium. It's a supply of service. Do you guys agree with me? Now, some people went ahead and told, sir, when we are going ahead and giving tenancy right to someone, no, we have to pay stamp duty. We have to pay registration charges. Why? Because it is given for a long time. We do what? We pay what? Stamp duty, and we also give registration charges. Sir, when we are selling land, no, we give stamp duty and we pay registration charges. So GST is not there. It means when we are giving tenancy right, people, Pagdi system, I am explaining a little more now. Now you know about land. When you sell land, you pay stamp duty and there is no GST. Do you guys agree with me? Because stamp duty is already collected. Now some people went and told, sir, when I am giving tenancy right and receiving what tenancy premium, just like how we sell land pay, we pay stamp duty. When I give tenancy right, no, that time also we have to pay stamp duty and we have to pay registration. It means it is like sale of land only. It means when I'm giving tenancy right, there will be no GST. Government told, hey, clarification given. Baba, giving tenancy right is what, everyone? It's a supply of service, and Baba, it's a supply of service if it is given for residential property exempted, but otherwise GST will come. Just because you pay stamp duty and you pay registration charges, it does not mean GST will not come. That was the clarification which was given by the government. Are we clear, everyone? Did you guys understand my point? Just because on tenancy right you pay stamp duty and registration charges, will GST not come? Will GST come? Is it a supply of service? Yes. But if residential property? No. Can I go ahead, everyone? Today at home, you have to write and you have to practice this question. Question number 15, you have to, it's your homework. You have to practice. You have to practice by writing. You have to write and practice. Next. Whether goods supplied on hire purchase. People, hire purchase will be supply of goods or supply of service? Supply of goods. Transfer of title and possession is necessary for a transaction. People, to constitute supply of goods. Examine. Yes or no? If I give you the title and I give you the goods also, then only it is supply of goods. Yes or no? Transfer of title as well as possession has to be transferred for a transaction to be considered as supply of goods. In case there is title is not transferred, the transaction would amount to supply of service. If I go ahead and just give you my car to use, I told, okay, take the keys, use it, but I did not give you the ownership. It is supply of goods or supply of service? In terms of Schedule 1, paragraph number 1B. Everyone over here, you don't have to write so much. You do one thing. You can, in terms of Schedule 2, you can write in the exam. In terms of Schedule 2, it will become what, everyone? Supply of. If you are giving someone right to use, it will become supply of goods or supply of service? In some cases, possession may be transferred immediately, but title may be transferred in future. Like what, everyone? Sale on approval. Approval sale, I'll teach you later, not now. Or higher. Such transactions shall also be termed as goods. Okay. I gave you the possession of the goods. You are giving installment. Ownership will be transferred in future. Is ownership getting transferred? Yes or no? Supply of goods or no? Remember, whenever you want to call it supply of goods, possession also should be given and ownership also has to be given. If only possession is given, supply of service. Are we clear? Next. People, can you write the answer for all the 8 points? Okay, you tell me. State. Can you see state here? If they tell you to explain, no, then you write stories. If they tell you just to state, you just have to state one liner. You got my point, everyone? Can we go ahead now? Renting of immovable property, everyone, louder. Supply of goods forming part of the asset are disposed of under the direction of the person. People, goods are disposed of. Permanent transfer, supply of goods. Transfer of right in goods without transferring the title. Which example did I give you? Right in goods. That JCB machine, TV wala example, supply of service. Can I go ahead? Transfer of title in goods under an agreement which stipulate that property shall pass on a future date. What is the shortcut name? Hire purchase. Supply of service or goods. Temporary transfer or enjoyment of IPR. Service. Any treatment or process which is applied on another person's good. Service. Transfer of title. Are we clear? Chalo. Everyone over here. List any 5 activity or transaction in schedule 3. You remember all of that? Camel. G. C for court or tribunal. People. Services by court or tribunal. Just imagine in the exam you remember camel G, but you don't remember full form. Services by court or tribunal, which is established under law. Court or tribunal should be established under law. A for other than. No. 1 minute, 1 minute. You have to write like this. Except specified actionable claim. And what are specified actionable claim? You have to write and come. Lottery, betting, gambling, horses, casino, online money, gaming. Other than this, actionable claims are neither supply of goods nor supply of. M for mortuary, funeral, burial ka services, including transportation of the deceased. Transportation of the deceased. Don't write only transportation. It is transportation of the deceased. Deceased means the person who has died. A for A. I'm telling A, students are telling employee. Baba, E for employee to employer in the course of employment. L for land and completed building. Are we clear, everyone? G for MLA, MPs ka service. Then constitutional post holder. Then CMD, chairperson, member or director of a body established by the people. Will today you practice question number 19? Will you today practice question number 19? Please do. If you don't know how to write the law, you will not get good marks in the exam. Please practice. Chalo, next. Everyone here. Determine whether GST is payable in each of the following independent. Dhruv developer sold a plot of land in Greater Noida after labeling line down of drainages, water lines and electricity line. People, is GST payable? Sale of land or sale of labeled land. It is neither supply of goods nor supply of. Are we all clear till here? People, but that one line will not give you the mark. You have to write the complete answer. People, these are practice question today. Everyone, question number 21. People, question number 21. Read. Everyone over here. Angat Private Limited is engaged in the business of distribution of construction material. As a incentive, Angat Private Limited pays an amount of how much to its employee upon achieving a sales target. The incentive is a part of the, and also the tax is deducted as per the relevant income tax provision. In income tax section number 192, TDS is deducted. Correct? No? So TDS will be deducted under section number 192. Angat Private Limited is of the view that GST is not leviable on such incentive to the employee. Whether the view taken is correct? Why? Anything paid to the employee as per the employment contract is neither, your services will be neither supply of goods nor supply of. Will any GST come? No. Next. Okay. People, please come back to your chart book, everyone. Chart book. Please come to your chart book. Everyone over here, please come to your chart book. Please come to your chart book, everyone. People, can you tell me what are the things we are done with till now? Okay. We are taking a break. People watching at home, we are taking a break and we are continuing now. Right, everyone? Everyone over here. We were done with section number 7-2 tak, right, everyone? People, can you tell me what are the things we are already done with? Section number 7. Section number 7.1. A. All forms for a consideration in the course of AA, everyone, person other than doing an activity with the for a consideration. Be told about everyone. Importation of service for a business, business supply, non-business also. Business में who will pay? RCM. Here it will be. Then we learn C point over here. Correct, everyone? What is section number 7.1C? Section number 7.1C told what? Activities without schedule 1. How many activities? Clear? Then we learned about section number 7.1. A. If your activity is falling over here anywhere in supply, then you will see whether it is supply of goods or it is supply of services. Everyone here now. Then we have section number 7.2. Section number 7.2 says what, everyone? What will be neither supply of goods nor supply of service. In section number 7.2 we had A. Schedule 3, which will go ahead and tell us what activities will be neither supply of goods nor supply of. And we learned about what, everyone? C, A, M, E, L, and G. Now the next one over here is B point. Can we move to the B point, everyone? People, is your brain moving correctly? Saying, okay, A, B, C, then A, 1A, 1A, A, we forgot. Then it is 1A. Then we learn 2 में A. Now we are moving to the B. Now, everyone over here. Activities, transaction undertaken by whom? Central government, state government, or local authority. People, central government, you know, everyone. Central government. State government means what? That particular state ka government. What do you mean by local authority? The panchayat, the municipality, the Jila Parishad, all these are known as what? Either this side or out. Clear? You understood, all the three of you? You got it, no? I'm telling you since a long time. Concentrate. If you sit, talk, and disturb the whole class, now you are irritating me. You have to see. Did I give you time to talk? I give you 5 minutes break. Now I told you talk whatever you want. Yes or no, everyone? Now when I'm talking, it's my chance. Can we go ahead, everyone? Everyone over here. Now, activities or transaction undertaken by central government, state government, or so if central government is undertaking some activity, state government is undertaking some activity, or local authority, and they are undertaking as what, everyone? Public authority means they are undertaking it for the public. It will be neither supply of goods nor supply of service only if it is notified by the government on recommendation of. Then it will be neither supply of goods nor supply of. Chalo, what they are telling? If central government, state government, or local authority is doing any activity. People, 1 second, everyone. Everyone over here now. So if there is central government, state government, or local, if they are going ahead and doing an for the public, they are acting as public. For the public, they are a public authority. Yes or no, everyone? If they are doing an activity for the public and that activity is notified by the on the recommendation of the council. Do you remember? Council will give recommendation and government will issue a. So if government issues a notification saying this activity, if it is done by whom? Central government, state government. then it will be neither supply of goods nor supply of. Are we all clear with this point? Can we go ahead? So if I'm central government, state government, and I'm going ahead and doing an activity for whom? For the public. That activity will be neither supply of goods nor supply of. But that activity has to be first what? Notified. It means government has to issue a notification and say that if central government, state government is doing this activity, then this activity there will be no GST. Who has to issue the notification? And on whose recommendation? Are we all clear, everyone? Now, there are notification which are issued. First notification is, everyone over here, there are two notifications which are issued. We'll read about the first notification. What are the activities which are notified? Government has issued a notification. Activities in relation to function entrusted to a panchayat under 243G, or activities which are in relation to function entrusted to panchayat under 243G. Everyone, what do you mean by this? You know, local authority is panchayat, right? Panchayat has to do the activities which are told under 243G of the Constitution. Baba, in the Constitution of India, there is article number 243G. In article number 243G, they go ahead and say what are the work a panchayat should do for the public. What are the work a panchayat should do for the? Who will tell everyone? Article number 243. And what they have gone ahead and notified is if panchayat is doing those activities which are told in the 243G and they are doing it for the, then Baba, that activity is already a notified activity and it will be neither supply of goods nor supply of service. Are we all clear? Chalo, for an example, I'll tell you. It is told in 243G of the Constitution of India, for an example, that a panchayat should make sure that the roads which are there are being maintained, or a panchayat should make sure that all the garbage of the city is collected. Municipality makes sure, no. So panchayat and municipality should make sure that the garbage of the city is being collected. Now tell me one thing. Panchayat is there. Panchayat is doing that function for whom? Public. Yes or no, everyone? My question to you guys, is it an activity which is told under 243G? Yes or no, everyone? Now, whenever panchayat does the activity for the public, then even if public says, supposingly my office may, when they are collecting the garbage, no, municipality will charge an amount. Municipality ka charges are there. Now, my question, is it an activity done by them? Is it for a consideration? Yes. People, when you read business ka definition, you'll see, no. You will see even if central government, state government is doing something for the public and charging an amount, they are also doing business. They are also doing what, everyone? And hence, is it in the course of their business? What is the work of the panchayat and municipality? To do all this work and earn money. So are they also doing business? So what they are telling is, even though it's a supply, but it will be neither supply of goods nor supply of. Are we clear? So what they are telling, if panchayat does those activities which are told in where, everyone? 243G. For whom? Then Baba, this activity will be neither supply of goods nor supply of. Chalo, I'll ask you. Now you know municipality. Municipality also does activities for whom? Yes or no? Our municipality is there. They maintain the road for us. They go ahead and clean the garbage. Yes or no, everyone? So they are also doing an activity for the public. But for them, the activities which are to be done by a panchayat is told in which section? Article number 243W. G may it is told for whom? Panchayat. Of the Constitution of India, 243G says that these are the activities to be done by whom? Panchayat. 243W of the Constitution says what, everyone? These are activities to be done by the. Now my question is, whenever municipality does those activities for the public, it will collect some amount. If it collects any amount, will there be any GST? Because it is neither supply of goods nor supply of. So people, can you tell me activities in relation to function which are given to panchayat or municipality? If that activity is done, it will be neither supply of goods nor supply of. Is my point 100% clear to all? Can we go ahead? So whether it is done by whom? Panchayat or municipality. It should be done for whom, everyone? Public. It should be done for the public. Now, Panchayat will do which activity? Municipality will do which activity? 243. Then, Baba, it will be neither supply of goods nor supply of. Are we all 100% clear? Can we go ahead? Clear? Next. तो पंचायत का 243 जी वाला एक्टिविटीज एंड म्युनिसिपैलिटी का 243 डब्ल्यू वाला एक्टिविटीज आर व्हाट एक्टिविटीज? नोटिफाइड एक्टिविटीज. They are being notified by the government, and whenever they are being done, it will be neither supply of goods nor supply of. Okay, people, I want to go ahead and tell you. Okay, I will draw. You tell me. I want to open one shop. I want to open one shop, and this shop may. What will I sell, everyone? Arey, this is alcohol. This is alcohol. Okay, everyone. This is alcoholic liquor ka shop. Now you tell me one thing. If you want to open one alcohol shop, see, just I told alcohol, everyone, huh? Suddenly everyone stopped talking only. Oh, let us concentrate. Everyone here now. You know, if you want to open one alcohol ka shop, you have to take license from whom? State government. Yes or no, everyone? State government will go ahead and give you alcoholic liquor ka, and they will go ahead and charge you, might be 10 lakh rupees as what? License fees. Might be when you give the application, they will charge you application fees also. Application fees, license fees, they will charge you. Yes or no, everyone? Now, what their government is selling, when state government is giving alcoholic liquor license, it is giving for the public only. Are is it doing an activity for the public only? So that public can drink. Yes or no, everyone? So they are telling when state government gives alcoholic liquor license and it is going ahead and collecting license fees, etc. This activity of giving alcoholic liquor license is also neither supply of goods nor supply of. So when they are collecting license fees, will they collect any GST? Why? Because it is a notified activity. See here, grant of alcoholic liquor license against license or application fees will be what, everyone? Neither supply of goods nor supply of service. Are we clear, everyone? People, there's one question over here. Can you guys read this question? Read the question, everyone. Read. Can we go ahead? Sarvana and Son wishes to supply what? Liquor in the state of Tamil Nadu. Therefore, it applies for what? License for selling liquor to the Tamil Nadu. For it has been charged specific fees from it. Examine whether the grant of license by Tamil Nadu government to Sarvana qualifies as supply. Is it supply? People, will it qualify as supply? It is neither supply of goods nor supply of services. By way of grant of alcoholic liquor license by the government have been notified to be treated as neither supply of goods nor supply of. Such license is granted against consideration in the form of license fees or application fees or whatever name it is called. This special dispensation is applicable only to supply by way of grant of alcoholic liquor license by the state government as an agreement between center and state. And it is not applicable or not predecessed value in granting other license or privileges for a fees or other situation. Everyone, I'll tell you one thing. For an example, I am a miner. You know miner, not N-O-R, N-E-R. What do? I do mining. I want this mountain. People, I want this mountain. What will I do? I will do mining. So I went to the state government and I told the state government, you give me mining license. You give me what, everyone? Mining license. And mining license ke liye, I paid 10 lakh rupees. My question over here, when state government is giving mining license, will it be neither supply of goods nor supply of service? Will GST come? Yes. Will it be a supply? Yes. Only what is out of GST? Alcoholic liquor license when it is given. So it is told over here. See, in other situation where GST is payable, thus in the given case, the grant of alcoholic liquor license to Sarvana and Son is neither supply of goods nor supply of. Is my point clear? Listen. There is a circular which is there on grant of other license and privileges. Everyone, you can come down. Everyone over here, see. Grant of other licenses and privileges by the government, except what, everyone? Alcoholic liquor license. So it says grant of other privilege. Privilege means as of now you think government is giving license. All licenses or mining against consideration in the form of fees, or if the government is asking royalty, whatever it is, will GST come? So government went ahead and gave me mining license. They told how much ever stone you are taking out, based on every ton of stone, we want royalty 1 rupee. I am paying license fees, or I am paying royalty, or I am paying what, everyone? Any other amount by whatever name called, whatever name called. Remember one thing, you call it by whatever name. If it is mining license or any other, or you know what, government gives telecom license. All these telecom companies are given telecom license by the government. Will it be supply, everyone? Yes or no? Will GST come? Yes. Mining license? Yes. Can we go ahead, everyone? Are we all clear till here? Alcoholic liquor license? No. Congratulations, people. We are done with section number 7. Chalo. Everyone over here now. People, listen to me very carefully. We are done with section number 7. Can you tell me what did we learn in section number 7? Section number 7, 1, A, B, C. Then section number 7, 1, A. Then section number 7, 2, A. And section number 7, 2, B. Are we all 100% clear till here? Chalo. Now, everyone over here, we will go ahead. We will go ahead and now do section number 8. Section number 7 is done. Section number 7 told what, everyone? Whether it will be a supply or not a. Now, section number 8 says, if it's a composite supply or a mixed supply, there's something called composite supply and there's something called mixed supply. Then how the tax will be done, that is told by whom? Section number. But first you have to learn, know what is composite and what is mixed. Do you guys agree with me? First you have to understand what is a composite supply and what is a. Do you guys agree with me? Chalo. Everyone over here, let's understand what do you mean by composite supply. Tell me one thing, everyone. Very simple, nothing. You understood what is supply? Now we are understanding what is a composite supply. People over here, everyone. On the board, everyone, listen carefully. What is a composite supply? For an example, I went to buy a mobile phone. Along with the mobile phone, I got a charger. Okay, everyone? I went to buy a mobile phone. When I bought a mobile phone, along with the mobile phone, I got a charger. So the definition of composite supply says, people here, composite supply definition is given in 2 clause 30. You don't have to remember, you have to remember what's a composite supply. It means 2 or more taxable supply. Tell me one thing, is mobile taxable supply? Is a charger also a taxable supply? Mobile pay the rate of GST is 18%, charger pay rate of GST is supposedly 12%. Okay, everyone, are both taxable supply? Next, they are naturally bundled together. Are they bundled together? Is it a natural bundle? When you buy a mobile, you will get a charger, or they will tell charger will not give, do whatever you want. Along with the mobile is a charger given. It is supplied together in the ordinary course of business. People, tell me one thing. Generally, whenever you buy a mobile phone, do you get a charger? In the ordinary course of business, every businessman, are they giving charger along with the mobile? One is a principal supply. What is main? Did you go to buy mobile or charger? Mobile. So people, this will be called as a composite supply. Now my question, they charge me 20,000 rupees for the mobile and the charger. What rate of GST will apply? 18 or 12? Okay, first of all, did you understand composite supply? Number one, two or more taxable supply. They are naturally supplied together in the ordinary course. In the ordinary course of business, every seller who is there is selling mobile plus one is principal. What is main? What is the main supply? Mobile. This is what? Ancillary. What is the main supply? Principal. Main. Mobile. Can you tell me what rate? Now, you understood what is this composite supply? Now, section number 8 says if something is composite supply, please treat it as a supply of which supply? It means you will think that what is supplied, everyone? Mobile plus charger or only mobile? It will be treated as if mobile is supplied. Can you tell me what rate of GST will apply? Is my point clear to all? Can we go ahead, everyone? Chalo, I'll ask you one more question. I went to buy a laptop. They gave me laptop. They gave me the laptop ka charger and they gave me a laptop back. Do you guys agree? They charged me 30,000 rupees for this total. Okay, everyone. Rate of GST on actually laptop is 18%. Charger is 12%. For an example, 5% on the back. My question to you guys, is it composite supply first of all? How? Is it two or more? Two or more? All are taxable supplies. Are they naturally bundled? Natural bundle or unnatural? What is unnatural? Along with mobile bottle. Huh? Drink water, see mobile. Drink water, see mobile. Is it? Are we clear, everyone? So, people, is it natural bundle? Are they generally supplied together by all the sellers? Are they supplied together in the ordinary course? Ordinary course means generally all the sellers are selling it together only. All the seller when they are advertising, buy laptop along with that charger and bag is already given. My question is, one is principal. What is the principal? Can you tell me what rate will up? No. Is it composite? Now that you know it is composite, you have to go to section number 8. And section number 8 says if it is composite supply, think that you are supplying what sweet supply? And principal supply ka rate will apply. Is my point clear to all? Can we go ahead? 100%. Are we all clear with this? Chalo. Okay. Tell me one more example of composite supply. TV and remote. Okay. Okay, I'll give one more example, everyone. You bought a bike. When you buy a bike, what do you get? Charger. Plus you get warranty also. Are yes or no, everyone? Are what? 1 minute. 1 year free service. Yes or no? Tell me one thing. Everyone over here. Everyone here. When you buy the bike is rate of GST is 18, charger is 12%, and service pay rate of GST is supposedly 5%. My question is, you paid for the bike 1 lakh. Is it a composite supply? Yes. What will you treat it as? Principal supply. What is the principal supply? Bike. Are we clear, everyone? And what rate of GST will apply? Chalo, I'll give you one more example now. I went to one shop. People, everyone over here. I went to one shop. It was Diwali ka time. So that shopkeeper had kept one box like this. I told him, uncle, I want this box. In the box, it was sweets, candles, bomb. Crackers, you say no, crackers. Bomb, suddenly. Huh. Everyone then, chocolate. And listen. The shopkeeper told me 5,000 rupees. How much, everyone? Is it okay, 5% rate of GST, 2% rate, Baba, there is no 2%. I'm just telling you, only for class of 12, 18%, 28% rate of GST on various items. My question over here, is it two or more taxable supply? Are they naturally bundled? You put one hair oil also over here. Is it a natural bundle? Eat sweet, put hair oil. Is it a natural bundle, everyone? Eat sweet, burn candle, eat cracker. No, no, no. Burn crackers, eat chocolate. People, is it a natural bundle? Or tomorrow the shopkeeper can add one hair oil also over here. Yes or no? It's an unnatural bundle. So my question, is it composite? No, 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 no. Now when it is not composite, you have to see it is mixed supply or not. Mixed supply ka definition is given in 274. You don't have to remember this. But you have to remember what is mixed supply. Mixed supply means two or more. People, tell me one thing. Is sweets individual supply? Yes. Is candles another individual? Crackers another individual? Chocolate another individual? And hair oil another? But what the shopkeeper did? He supplied them together for a single price. He joined them all and he told, I'll give for one price. Actually, these were all separate item for separate prices. He joined them and he's giving for a single price. And it is not a. Is this mixed supply? Are they two or more individual supply? Are they supplied together for a single price? It is not composite. Then what is it, everyone? It is mixed supply. Can you tell me mixed supply? Then what rate of GST? See here. Mixed supply always treat a supply of that supply which attracts what, everyone? So you will think that this supply which was done of chocolate. And what rate of GST will apply, everyone? 28%. Is my point 100% clear to all? You have to think that this box is a box of chocolate and rate of GST 28% has to be charged. Is my point clear? Let's do one or two more example from our textbook so that we can go ahead and understand this. 1 minute, everyone. You don't go here and there. You be in the class on the board. Everyone here. People, everyone on the board. Air transport. People, what do? I give air along with meal on board. You come to my flight. In the flight, what do we do, everyone? We give you air transport plus meal. And the meal is included already in the ticket. My question. Is it two or more taxable supply? Air transport plus food. Food. Two or more taxable supply? Are they natural bundle? Yes or no, everyone? Naturally, when you go in a flight, they give you meal along with the ticket. If you're flying with some cheap flight, then they might not give. Okay? But if you're flying with a good airline, they go ahead and give you the meals. They eat. Okay, everyone? Now, what is it? Air transport plus meal. Naturally bundle. Generally, it is given together in the ordinary course. What is principle? You went to eat or you went to air transport was mean. So hence, what rate will apply? So people, are they naturally bundled? Is there a principal supply? Is it composite or mixed? Principal supply ka rate will apply. Can I go ahead? You went to one hotel. People, everyone on the board. Along with the hotel stay, they gave you complimentary breakfast. Hotel stay with breakfast. Two or more taxable? Yes or no? Are they naturally bundled? When you go to a hotel, they give you complimentary breakfast. Natural bundle? Are they generally supplied together in the ordinary course of business? In hotel industry, do they do this? What is principle? Accommodation. Yes or no, everyone? What rate of GST will apply? Accommodation ka rate will apply. Do you guys agree with me? Next. You got a gift package consisting of sweets, chocolate, candle, perfume, crackers, hair oil missing. What it will be? Composite or mixed? Mixed. You bought a bike with insurance and free maintenance service for 1 year. Natural bundle? Composite. Next. People getting it? No. Hotel facility with free laundry and airport pickup included in the hotel package. Bye bye. In 5-star hotels and all, what happens generally? They give you hotel accommodation, free laundry, airport pickup also free. But actually, it's not free. They charge you a complete amount together. Do you guys agree with me? Now, my question over here is hotel facility along with free laundry and airport pickup. If they charge you 10,000 rupees, is it composite or mixed? Two or more supplies. Are they naturally bundled? Is it supplied together in the ordinary course? Generally, is all suppliers doing this? What is principle? Accommodation services. Can I go ahead, everyone? And what rate will apply? Hotel accommodation ka rate. Cosmetic package with hair oil, lotion, cream, comb, shampoo, face wash. You put hand wash. Mixed or composite? Mixed. Laptop with laptop bag. Composite. What rate will apply? Okay. Buying a computer and a printer together for 50,000. 1 minute. Computer and a printer are two individual supplies. Huh? You tell me one thing. At your home, you have a computer, you have a printer also. When you buy a computer, you get a printer free. No, not free. The shopkeeper says, buy a computer, printer will come together. Is it a natural bundle? It's an unnatural bundle. Is it composite supply or mixed supply? Why mixed? Two or more individual supplies supplied for a single. Is it supplied for a single price? There should be one price. And is it composite? It is should not be composite. Only then it will be. See everyone. Two or more individual supplies. They should be supplied. So computer and printer. Are they individual supplies? Are they supplied for a single price? And they should not be composite. Then they will become what everyone? Mixed supply. Are they composite or mixed? Mixed. Are we all clear till here? Chalo, can I ask you one question, everyone? I went to one shop. People, I went to one shop. He gave me computer for 30,000. He gave me printer for 20,000 rupees. Can you tell me composite or mixed? Neither composite nor mixed. Composite के लिए there should be a single price. So it is separate supply. Can you tell me computer pay if the rate of GST is 18, printer pay rate of GST is 28, what rate will apply on 50,000? Arey, on 30,000 he'll apply and then 20,000 he'll apply. Is my point clear to all? Tell me one thing. You went to people, this is neither composite nor mixed. It is separate supply. Are we clear? Okay, tell me one thing. You went to one shop. You picked up sweets, 1,000 rupees. You picked up chocolates, 500 rupees. You picked up hair oil, 100 rupees. And total bill came up to be 1,600. Now, my question over here, this is the total in the bill. But the shopkeeper charged you separate prices only. My question, is it composite or mixed? Neither composite nor. It is neither composite nor mixed. It is not even composite, not even mixed. Now, you went to one shop. The shopkeeper had kept all these three things together. He told buy sweets plus chocolate plus hair oil combo. Instead of 6,600, he has cut it. And he has put what everyone? You just have to pay 1,200. Now what is it everyone? Mixed. Is my point 100% clear to all? People over here now, the last one. You went on a trip with Make My Trip. They charged you 20,000 rupees and they told, sir, we will give you travel, we'll give you hotel, we'll give you stay. People, is it composite or not? Yes or no, everyone? Are they naturally bundled? What is there a principal supply? Travel services. Yes or no, everyone? Next, composite supply or mixed? What rate will apply? Principal. You bought a TV with installation and 1 year warranty. Composite or mixed? Composite. Are we all 100% clear with this? Sure, everyone. People, will you be able to make out the difference between what is a composite supply what is a mixed supply and what is not composite also and not mixed also? Sure, everyone? 100%? Okay, 1 minute. People, everyone over here. People over here now. This big question, I'll do it tomorrow. I want to do one small question first. 25, page number 2.32. Hmm. Go. Break. He wants break. We'll send him home only. Go. Everyone here now. People, can we go ahead? See here. Bristol is a manufacturer of what, everyone? Hey, people are talking too much. Okay, I'll wait. You finish talking, then I will start. Talk, 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 no problem. Talk, no, Baba, talk. Can we go ahead? They are selling cosmetic product, hair oil, sun cream, shampoo, hair comb. The products are supplied in a single and price per package is 500. Is it a single price? 20,000 package were sold by the company. Determine the nature of supply. People, tell me one thing. Is it composite or mixed? What rate will apply? 28%. Per package is 500. 500 into 20,000 is how much? Hey, 20,000 into 500 is how much? 1 crore. 1 crore pay 28%, 28 lakh. Are we all clear? This one you will not do now. Okay. Question number 27, everyone. Question number 27. A hotel provides 4 days and 3 nights package wherein the facility of breakfast and dinner is provided along with the room accommodation. People, composite supply, taxable at the rate of hotel accommodation service. Toothpaste company has offered the scheme of free soap along with the toothpaste. Baba, is toothpaste and soap a combo? Natural, they have supplied what, everyone? You buy toothpaste, you will get what? Soap free. People, tell me one thing. Toothpaste plus soap, is it natural bundle? First do brush, then wash your face. Natural bundle or unnatural? Composite or mixed? Today's practice question, everyone. It is at practice at home. Today you have to practice it. Can we go ahead, everyone? 1 minute. Huh? Everyone, can we go ahead? Array, people talking, everyone on the board. People on the board. Dum Dum Electronic has sold the following electronics to Akbar Retail Store. Refrigerator, stabilizer, television, split AC, stabilizer. Everyone, Dum Dum has issued a single invoice. They have issued one invoice indicating price of each of the above item. So every item ka separate price is given. Akbar has given single check of 1 lakh. People listen. Everyone listen. Don't get confused here. I made one invoice, television, stabilizer, then AC, refrigerator, and I gave the total amount ka one bill to you. You made, supposing the bill was 1 lakh rupees. My question over here, is this supply a composite, mixed or separate supply? You made one single check payment, so what? How did I go ahead and give it to you? Did I give you all the supplies at one price or separate price? Composite, mixed or separate supply? It is neither composite nor. It says for all the item as composite discount price. People, all these are to confuse you. He made a payment of 1 lakh rupees after discount. Okay. State the type of supply and the tax rate applicable in this case. People, tell me one thing. Can you read this? In the given case, the items supplied by Dum Dum are not naturally in the ordinary course of business. Therefore, it is not a composite supply. Further, although Akbar has paid what everyone composite price for these goods, means he has given me 1 lakh rupees after discount. Dum Dum has not charged a single. Therefore, it is not a mixed supply of this good. Therefore, supply of individual item which are taxed at their respective applicable to them. Are we all clear? Chalo, last wala which is there is your homework today. You have to do it at home today. And you have to practice also. People, 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. 7-1A. How many of you did the MCQs at home? You were anyone, any doubt? Anyone, any doubt? Today you have to do 7-1A, 7-2A, 8. Try till the end. Try till the end. Okay, everyone. People, have a doubt, you have to ask me tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will go ahead and close this session, wherein whatever small things are remaining, we will go through the textbook also. We'll close the chapter tomorrow. Right, everyone? Have a great day, everyone. Take care. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone.